Hello, welcome back. In this segment, I will explain how constants like this one, 58623, are represented at the assembly level and further in the machine code level. Okay, let's go ahead and compile this code and load it into GDB and disassemble the main. Okay, you can see that number EF4FF. Right. If you print this in decimal, right, E4FF, you get 58623, which is the same value we saw in our C code. Okay, that's just a basic move statement. Move the constant to EBB -4 to store the value of the local variable. But I want to show you at the machine level, right? How does this code look like? Assemble the raw code, right? The machine level. And remember, the constants that we were looking for is E4FF, right? EFFF. E4FF is over here. It's just in the Little Indian convention. In Little Indian, the least significant byte starts with the lowest address and then the next byte. That's the reason why you see EFFE4 here as part of the machine instruction starting at this address. We can zoom in a little bit. Let's say I want to show you the 6 bytes starting at this address. And I can show you that FFE4 is here. This is E1, this is E2, this is E3, this is E4. So let's do E4 2 bytes. Okay. As you can see, our constant is part of the machine code as well. That means we should not be hard coding any secrets like integer constants or anything important, activation code or whatever. In the code, that will be part of the machine code. As someone who knows the machine code can disassemble and map the constants. All right, that's all. Thank you very much for your attention.